Welcome to Pydle Day 131. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a colorful kite, so have a go at solving that. As usual, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle just to give you some tips if you're new to Pydle, how to solve Pydles. It was the Among Us character from the popular game. So what do you think of my Among Us character? Let me know in the comments if it's a good resemblance. Okay, so let's try and solve that. Let's go for the white pixels first. So we're going to keep our two loops for x in range 5, for y in range 5. So let's just isolate the white pixels. So we need to say if x in 0, 4, so the two verticals, and then we need to say and y not in those two y pixels 1, 2. Let's see what that does. I mean, that's only partial. I do like to build up the picture. Okay, so we've got a guy just with big ears or short arms. Okay, so we need to do one more pixel for the leg. We need to or statement. So what a easy way of isolating a single pixel is to write kind of a chaining comparison. So we can say x equal y equals, what is x? X is 0, 1, 2. It's 2, but you can see y is actually not 2, y is 4. So we can convert that y to 2 as well. So it's x equals y equals 2. X equals y minus 2 equals 2. Okay, there we've got that, and we see our little character coming out. Okay, so we always probably try and leave the biggest chunk of pixels at the end for an else statement. So let's go after the blues. So if, and that one's simple, it's x greater than 2, and what's the y's? So the y's is 0, less than y, less than 3. Okay, and then that can be our blues. Okay, so all that remains is our reds. Okay, you can see that solves the Pydle. Now, one thing I don't like is the backpack. I think is a bit high if you compare to that picture. So let's quickly have a play around and see if it looks better with a backpack 1 pixel lower. I've already done it, so we can't change the Pydle. But let's copy that code. Go to playground. Okay, if we run that as is, we're gonna get our Among Us character. So let's see, what were the reds? Okay, so we basically need the whites pushed down 1 pixel there. So it's going to mess up a little bit because we could do first and the last one in the same loop. So let's just think, so you can say if x equal 4 and y not equals 1 and 2. So that's the last one. So let's just do another one for the or x equals 0 and y not in. Okay, now we're going to say 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Let's see. Backpack's a little bit lower. And what do you think? I actually prefer the first one, to be honest. The one with slightly the backpack 1 pixel higher. Anyway, let me know in the comments. Hope you had fun solving the Pydle. If you haven't tried today's Pydle, then have a go at solving that. And I will see you again tomorrow with the solution.